You good?
Good.
What's up, young buck? You got probation? Okay. Maybe your gal can say it's hers and maybe you can get out for it. What'd you say, OJ?
My shoe.
Hey, you see a shoe back there? Where is it? Oh, I'm gonna catch you, baby. I'm finna shoot your bitch ass. I ain't got my radio. Hey, can you call the police for me? Call the police for me. Hey, call the police. Call the police. What way it go? This way? You got your phone? God damn. Hey, which way you go? This way? God damn. Hey, bro. Which way you go? Nah, which way you go?
Went straight through the alley and cut that way.
What you need? Your phone. My damn radio came out.
Hold on. Damn, little if I try to come behind you and get him.
I don't know where he went. Dad, what I need to dial?
They didn't sign the, what's the number?
501.
Yeah.
340 7050.
750?
Yeah. What was his name?
I don't know the white boy name. Damn, I tried to get him.
Hello? Hey, Huff. The wheelchair dude got up and ran. Yeah. I couldn't catch his ass. And my radio was in the mother. I had my camera on though. The wheelchair dude. I couldn't catch him. Hell. Tim's had pulled off. Yeah. I can't even remember his name. He on the run. All right. Which way you go?
Keep straight to the right. In front of him, building. Here I go. Now, one of the inmates that took off running, I tried to help Lord then.
Yeah.
All right, Lord, man.
All right.
Hey, this is crazy.
That nigga had all that shit on. Yeah. My damn radio came off my belt. Hey, he took off, man. The wheelchair dude ran. He had a neck brace on and all that shit.
Did he really?
Yeah.
Didn't need that wheelchair very much, did he?
Hell no. Hey. Dude ran, man. Dude ran, man. Yeah, where my radio? Yes, he did.
Dude ran?
Yeah.
What? He took off?
Yeah, ride straight up this street.
Oh, snap, man.
What's up? You're doing the wheelchair race.
Dude took off?
Yeah, the wheelchair dude.
I don't mean to laugh.
Hold on.
Are you fucking around right now?
You turn,
Yeah, they say went that way. But go a straight one. Hold up. We can't chase with inmates.
I can get off. This dang light turn.
272 for transport.
Hold on, let me tell Saul, man.
I already called him.
Oh,
See, my radio had came off in here.
we gone. That is dang light taking forever.
Nah, he gone. I couldn't. There was nothing wrong with it.
He had a brakes on. You couldn't catch him nothing.
He didn't have none of that on when he ran.
No, he took it off and was gone.
Yes. The feds.
We can't go that way anyway.
Drop the feds off. Or stay locked up.
The dude.
What's up?
We can't go that way.
I couldn't catch that dude. He jumped the rail. It's on my camera, bro.
Oh, what's that, man? Hey.
He jumped the rail, kicked his shoe had came off. I bent down to get his shoe. He just ran.
He took off on you, man.
Yeah. Should have had cuffed him to the wheelchair.
Yeah. Dang, it's
They gonna
man.
say that too.
Yeah, they gonna say that, bro. They gonna say, why y'all didn't, you know what I'm saying?
I'm like,
take
he had
precautions.
new brakes, he couldn't move his arms. That's why I ain't
Yeah,
cuffed.
they gonna get both of us for that, man.
Yeah.
I'm already, we gonna probably get rolled up, man.
Yeah.
We gonna get rolled up.
Yeah, I should have cuffed his ass.
Yeah. And you know what? I thought about it. Touching fall my first mind, bro. Man. It's still going.
Hold on.
We was in transport, man.
Call Brian one.
It's already on there.
You're on patrol, Prom 1.